Few interior upgrades make your driving experience feel more personal than a solid, well-crafted shift knob. This polished billet aluminum shift knob is designed specifically for 1987 to 1995 Jeep Wrangler YJ models, offering a clean, durable replacement that enhances both appearance and feel every time you change gears. Constructed from high-quality billet aluminum, this knob delivers long-lasting durability along with a smooth, polished finish that complements the rugged yet timeless interior of classic Wranglers. The round design sits comfortably in the hand, providing a confident grip whether you are cruising on the road or shifting through gears on the trail. Its solid construction gives it a reassuring weight that many drivers prefer over worn or lightweight factory knobs. The shift patterns are etched directly into the top of the knob, ensuring clear visibility and resistance to fading over time. This attention to detail keeps the markings sharp and readable even after years of use. The knob is available for both 5-speed manual transmissions and transfer case applications, allowing owners to maintain a consistent look across their drivetrain controls. Featuring standard 3/8-16 SAE threads, installation is straightforward on compatible Jeep shifters. Some users choose to fine-tune the fit with a washer to achieve the exact seating position they prefer, making it easy to align the shift pattern perfectly. The etched lettering also offers a great opportunity for customization, with many owners adding subtle paint accents to match their Jeep's exterior or interior color scheme. Designed and produced by Rampage, this billet shift knob focuses on durability, style, and compatibility with classic Jeep platforms. It is a simple upgrade that refreshes the interior without altering the original character of the vehicle, making it ideal for restorations, daily drivers, or weekend trail rigs. If you want a clean, timeless shift knob that feels solid and looks right at home in your Wrangler YJ, this billet aluminum option is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description for current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel to discover more quality upgrades and accessories for classic and modern Jeeps alike.